Come to me, my child.
Josh! Top of the morning. Look at this right-hand meter here, buddy. It's taken this guy a hell of a long time to start drawing bias current. And it's probably no coincidence. Let's see if I can get you in there. See that white stuff? Watch this. This tube is done, my friend. Take a look. See that? You have a short bud. So let's get these power tubes out of there. You also have a very noisy tube in V1. Very noisy. So we've seen enough. Let's not risk any damage here. So you've been very fortunate in that this is a 1996. I'll zoom you in there, buddy. 1996 here, bud. And none of these funky Illinois caps, these IC caps, have started developing leaks yet. Physical ones anyway. So, and it was also modified, just so you know. I'm gonna take a peek there. No charring on a circuit board by these, by the bipolar power supply components, which is astounding. Same thing with your foot switch power dropping resistor. But she's pretty funky. You see all that nicotine in there. That should be crystal clear. Kind of like that, kinda. Should be like that. Not like that one, sorry. That's the core of your problem. And obviously someone's been in here before. There is a missing circuit board. Let's see, where's it at? This little machine screw that's going to secure your circuit board here. Found them right there. So definitely a set of power tubes. Let me check everything else out and I'll get back to you. Bye-bye.